Are you facing Google Message notification sound change problem? Let's see how to set notification sound on Google Message. Open your Google Message app. Now click on profile icon. Now go to Google Message setting. Now enable here outgoing and incoming message sound. Now go to notification setting. Now click on behavior, notification and more. From here, enable allow sound and vibration. Now go to your home screen. Open your phone setting and set notification sound on Google Message. Go to sound and vibration. Now click on notification sound. Now from here you can select any sound for your Google Message notification.